Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Dear students, I am telling you all that we are taking the class for your annual examination syllabus. Look at board here. I have written here lecture 1 SW number 1. Whenever I will take your second class, it will be lecture 2 SW number 2 also. So look at board. So what is our today's topic? Our topic is unit 7 lesson 1 scene part A question number 1 to 3. I repeat, our today's topic is unit 7 lesson 1 scene part A question number 1 to 3. Dear students, this topic is very important for your annual examination as well as for your JSC examination. So take a good preparation on this topic. So let's start our class. Look at board here. What is the title of our today's passage? So look, I have written here pulse, pulse, pulse. So we have got a point that our today's title of the passage is pulse, pulse and pulse. Do you know that what are pulse or what do you mean by pulse? We know that pulse are very important and valuable objects or things which are used to make jewelry things. In this connection, I have given you two pictures. Look at board here, picture number 1 and picture number 2. So in the first picture, we see a necklace. Maybe it a pearl necklace. In the second picture, we see a woman who has worn different types of ornaments. So you have understood our today's topic and importance of our today's topic also. So now we will read our today's passage. So all of you open your EFT book, page number 79. From our EFT book, we will start reading. Thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearl with its shine has been one of the most highly valued gems or valued ornaments, valuable things here. Pearls have been mentioned many times in religious texts and mythologists. So look at the word mythologist. Do you know the meaning mythologist? We know that the meaning of the mythologist is the collection of myths of a people concerning the origin of the people, history, deities. Deities means the god and goddesses, ancestors and heroes. These are the meaning of mythologist. From the earliest times, the ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried. So look at the word buried, graveyard with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, look at the word Cleopatra, the famous queen of Egypt, would dissolve a pearl in a glass. So look at the word dissolve here. Dissolve means to be absorbed by liquid things, especially when it is mixed. Dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. The Greeks thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearl was associated, look at the word associated or connected, with love and marriage. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. At the time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearls necklace. So look here, pearl necklace. I have told you. The brave knights used to wear them in the battle for good luck. So after reading the passage, we have understood that this passage is about the discovery of pearls and the things or the thoughts of pearls to the Greeks, to the Romans, etc., etc. Now look at board here. I have given here some key words so that you can know the unknown meanings, unknown words. So look at the first one here, mythology. It is mythology. The meaning is mythology is that the collection of myths of a people concerning the origin of the people, history, deities, look at the meaning deities here, gods and goddesses, ancestors and heroes. Second word meaning dissolved, pronounce with me, it is dissolved, to be absorbed by a liquid, especially when mixed. Third one is unparalleled. Unparalleled means having no parallel or without equal. So in the history we know that the Egyptian has an unparalleled history or a unique history. Association, a group of people who work together in a single organization. Last word is associated, it is connected. So our keywords, that means word meaning session is done. Now we will go to our first question, it is choose the best answer. Look, it is choose the best answer. Now choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. Dear students, you will write only the corresponding numbers, no need to write the all. Look at the first one here. Which one of the following phrases has the similarity to search for? So look at the word to search for. Look at the option now. Look for, look up, look after, take after. So only the look for is the correct answer. All the word look up, no, this is wrong answer. Look after, wrong answer. Take after, this one is also wrong. So the synonym or the similarity of search for is look after. The word mythology of the text means, the word mythology of the text means option love of God, no. Superstitions, no. Science of logic, no. A collection of traditional stories and beliefs, yes, we have got the correct answer. A collection of traditional stories and beliefs. 3. Egypt has an dash history, option entire, no. Unparalleled, yes. Ancient, associated, these three are wrong. So unparalleled, that means unique history. We all know that Egypt has a unique history or unparalleled history. They are in history, they are in the supreme position. We all know this. Number 4, to the Greeks, pearls was a sign of dash and social position. Option power, riches, war, education. So look at the option number B, because this option is the correct answer. So to the Greeks, pearls was a sign of riches or aristocracy. Number 5, Queen Cleopatra would drink a glass of water mixed with pearls every day to dash. Option develop her health, refresh her mind, show love to the and respect to the nation to recover. Look at the option number 3. From our text we have understood that Queen Cleopatra would drink a glass of water mixed with pearls every day to show love and respect to the nation. Number 6, men discovered pearls while they were dashed for food. Option inventing, no. Cooking, no. Waiting, no. So looking is the correct answer. That means while they were looking for food, they were searching for food or looking for food. Last MCQ, the people of dash associated pearls with marriage and love. Option Roman, Greece, the Greeks, Rome. In the passage we have come to know that the correct answer is Greece. The people of Greece associated pearls with marriage and love. So our MCQ is done. Now we will go to the question answer session. Look here, answer the following questions from your reading of the above text. I have given here 4 questions. Look at the first one. When and how was pearl discovered? So look, the question was written in past tense, so our answer should be followed by past tense. Look, thousands of years ago the first pearl was probably discovered. Look at the structure of the verb. Was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Now we will go to next question. Why were the ancient Egyptians buried with pearls? Pronounced with buried with pearls. The ancient Egyptians were buried with pearls because they valued pearls so much. I am telling again, the ancient Egyptians were buried with pearls because they valued pearls with so much. Question number C. How was pearl to the Greeks? Answer. The Greeks thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearl was associated with love and marriage. Last question answer. Why did Cleopatra dissolve a pearl in a glass of water? Answer. The famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, dissolved a pearl in a glass and drank it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. This is the answer. Now question answer is done, we will go to the question number 3. So look here, read the following text and fill in the gaps with contextually appropriate. That means, so we have come to know that question number 3 is taken from our EFT book. So to have a good marks in question number 3, we need to read the text again and again. Now look here, Kartik Paramanik, very common name in our EFT book we have come to know. Kartik Paramanik is really a nature dash. So we all know the answer that Kartik Paramanik is really a nature lover. So I am writing the answer, follow me, nature lover, L-O-V-E-R, nature lover. Out of his love to nature, he started his planting mission, his tree planting mission, T-R-E-E, tree planting mission. He began to plant trees at a very early the very early age. He was greatly encouraged or motivated, look at the word encouraged, by his dash. We know the answer that by his father. By his father, he not only planted trees but also took great dash. So it will be great care. 5 fill in the blanks is done. So I am telling you again, so to have the good marks in question number 3, you have to read the text again and again. So look at the end of our board. I have given your SW question number 2 and 3. That means question number 2 is question answer and 3 is fill in the blanks. You must do your SW in your SW copy and you will submit it on next Sunday. Dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood our today's discussion. Read the text again and again. Keep practicing question number 1, 2 and 3. Eat a balanced diet and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.